Hi class, this is Miss Morales and I'm absent today, and I'm going to be doing a worksheet like the one you're doing today by yourself. I'm going to be helping you remember how to simplify and giving you the directions for the worksheet. This is not the exact worksheet you're going to be doing, this is a different version, but you are going to be doing the same thing. So basically, you have a paper that looks like this, and you'll have another one on the back, and it's a maze. So you start, where it says start, and you are going to simplify this number. Now, you are going to simplify it, and then you're going to follow the directions that it tells you to. So after you show your work, you're going to choose, is this number 2/3 simplified, or is it 10/5 simplified? And you're going to follow that path, okay? Or is it 2/1? Okay? You're going to follow the path, and you're going to go to the next box and simplify that, and then follow that box, okay? So on and so forth until you either get to jail, you lost, or you get to you win, which is, yay, you simplified correctly. You have to show your work on every single problem that you simplify. That means I'm starting with 100 over 50. I am going to simplify this, find the answer, and then go on to the next one. Every one of these boxes that you go to should be simplified. So we're going to start. We're going to start with 100 over 50. I want you to do this on notebook paper, but I have just white paper so that you can hopefully see better. Okay. Remember, the way that we start simplifying is we draw a line, and we know that every fraction or every numerator and denominator has the same factors to start with. And of course, it's 1 and itself, 1 and 100. Then what's next? I have 2 and 50. I cannot get there by 3s. Can I get there by 4s? Yes, because of quarters. I know that 4 quarters equals $1. Can I get there by 5s? Yes, because it ends in a 0. So 5 and 20. I can't get there by 6 or 7 or 8, but I can get there by 10. Sorry, I can't get there by 9, but I can get there by 10. So my factors of 100 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, and 100. And now I do the bottom number, the denominator. I can get it by 1, 50, 2, 25. Can't get there by 3s. Can I get there by 4s? Can 4 go into 50 evenly? Well, even I don't know that off the top of my head. 1, 0. Can 4 go into 10 evenly? Well, it can go in twice without anything left over. No. So 4 can't go in. 5 can go in. 5 and 10. 6, no. 7, no. 8 times 6 is 48. No. 7s, no. Okay, that's it. Those are my factors. 50, I'm 1 and 50, 2 and 25, 5 and 10. All right, what's my next step? First step is find the factors. Second step is to find the greatest common factor. So we're going to go through and find the ones they both have. They both have 1. They both have 2. They don't both have 4. They both have 5. They both have 10. They don't both have 20. They both have 25. They both have 50. They both don't have 100. Okay, I have a lot of ones they have in common. But the greatest one is obviously not 1, not 2, not 5, not 10, not 25, but 50. Hopefully you saw that right away and you didn't have to show your work. But even if you did see it right away, you still have to show your work. Okay? So then I rewrite my fraction, and I'm going to make a whole number out of my greatest common factor. Make a whole number out of it, and then divide. 100 divided by 50 is 2. 50 divided by 50 is 1. So I got that 100 over 50 reduces down to 2 over 1. Let's see, is that an answer choice? 10 over 5, 2 over 1, 2/3. Bam! It is. Then you're going to need to get a color. This is a highlighter. Don't I look like a beauty guru? This is a highlighter. Papermate, to be exact. You're going to do this with a crayon or a color pencil, and you're going to follow your maze. Color in your route or your route. Same word, pronounced differently. Color it in. Now I'm going to do 18 over 54. Here we go. 18 over 54. So my factors of 18 are 1 and 18. 2 and 9, 3 and 6, 4 is not a factor, 5 is not a factor, 6 already have, 7, 8, 9 already have. Okay, done. That's my factors of 18. Now my factors of 54. 1 and 54. 2, how do I know it's a factor of 54? Because it ends in an even number. If it ends in an even number, 2 is always a factor. So 2 will go into 54. I don't know that off the top of my head. 4, 1, 2, 27. Learned something new today. Okay, 3. Can 3 go into 54? Well, I don't know that either. It's okay to do a little extra math. 3 will go into 5 one time. 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Oh, sorry, that's 3. Messed up. That's okay. 5 minus 3 is 2. Bring down the 4. Can 3 go into 24? Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 8 times. So 3 times 18. Oh, look at that. Then can I get there by 4s? Whew. Okay, so I know 4 times 10 is 40. 44. 48. 52. No, can't get there by 4s. Can I get there by 5s? No, because it doesn't end in a 0 or a 5. Can I get there by 6? Yes. Do you know how I know that? Because I know my 6s. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. Bam. All done. Ooh, that's a lot of factors. Okay. Now I have to find the GCF. Okay. They both have 1. They both have 2. They both have 3. Both have 4. Both have 9. Both have 18. And obviously the biggest one is 18. GCF equals 18. Now what do? Rewrite my fraction and then write my GCF as a whole number. Why is it called a whole number? Because it's the number the same on the top and the bottom, which equals 1. So it's a whole. 18 divided by 18 is 1. 54 divided by 18. I know that. Let me see. Why do I know that? Because right here I did 3 into 54 is 18. So 54 divided by 18 is 3. And let's see if that's an answer choice. It is. So I'm following my maze. Found 1/3. 18 over 54 simplified equals 1/3. These are called equivalent fractions. And then that's what you do. You just keep going. Okay? I know this is a really long video, but hopefully you're doing these steps for every single one of this space that you go through on this maze. If you get in jail, go back and find where you messed up. Okay? You're doing both sides of this paper. You're not going to have the same ones, but you're doing the same thing. Okay? I love you. I'll see you on Tuesday. Mwah! Now I have to turn this thing off. Hold on. There it is. Bye.